Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where it's a cold, clammy day in Harwichport. I'm on this estate where I'm cleaning a bunch of odds and ends, including this Bluestone Patio. To say that this is slippery is an understatement, especially if it's wet at all. It's like ice. So what they want is for it to not be slippery. They want it to look better, but they don't want to kind of open a total can of worms and have to have all these stones reset. So as I clean this, I'm going to try to not completely blow away the deteriorated grit between the stones. I was in Harbor Freight the other day just kind of trolling around, and I found this stuff here. I'm going to give this a shot, see how it does. I've mixed up a pretty strong concentration of it in a pump sprayer. I'm going to apply it to the stones, let it sit a bit, and then use a little turbo nozzle to try to wash this clean. Let's see how it does. And here we go. So yeah, I was happy enough with this product that I would make a point of keeping some on hand to use again if needed. I know there's going to be people watching this video who say, oh, you don't need to put any detergent or anything on those stones, just blast it away. And my comment to that is, what do you really wash without putting something on it first to loosen everything up? You don't wash your hands without soap. You don't wash your clothing without detergent. You don't wash your hair without shampoo. And I'm not going to wash stones without putting something on it to loosen the algae that's already there so that it rinses away with lower pressure and less rinsing. That's just my 2 cents. Do what you want. Hope that helps.